Here I'm gonna show the working app that can send message to the Raspberry Pi, to the message boards, to Bluetooth here. And first of all, I have the Raspberry Pi connecting here to show the message is receiving by the Raspberry Pi. And first of all, I run this program, Python 3 receive.python, which waiting for connection for the iOS devices. And here I can press connect here and waiting for connection. And now we can see that the connection is successful, and then we can go back here, and we can also do message here, and we can also do voice input. For example, turning left, and then we can start advertising and waiting for the message here. And we can see that the message is receiving here through voice input, through Bluetooth.
This is the LED matrix portion of the courtesy messaging signaling device. This matrix is driven by a Raspberry Pi programmed to take the text input we receive from the app and display it with proper formatting and color indication. Here we received our first test case, turning left. This message has a yellow color text indicating an instructional message to inform others to be cautious, and even includes a directional symbol to help communicate the message to other motorists in a fast and efficient manner.
I'm now sending the second message to the message board. Let's say detour to the right ahead. Done advertising and waiting for the information.
For our second test case, we received the phrase, detour to the right ahead. In this particular case, we'd like to demonstrate the 5-word capacity of the device, which allows motorists to quickly communicate important information between each other.
Now I'm going to send a third message. And let's say, need emergency help. Sending. And we can see the message here.
For our third test case, we received the phrase, need emergency help. This demonstrates another example of our text filtering algorithm, which assigns a color based off of specific words in the message to help amplify their meaning. The color red indicates emergencies and hazards, which can make a huge impact in life-threatening situations.
And let's say, you are too close.
Our fourth test case we received is the phrase, you are too close. This is another demonstration of the red text indication, which can highlight potential hazards. With this, drivers can reduce the likelihood and severity of accidents on the road.
And let me do the last one. You may go.
Our last test case we received was the phrase, you may go. This shows our last color indication green, which is for courtesy and greeting messages. This allows motorists to be courteous with one another and even has an additional smiley face symbol to increase the positivity of the message.